W- One pleasant evening, the clubhouse of the society where the Chatterjees lived came alive with laughter. Neighbors from different cultures and backgrounds gathered under one roof, sharing smiles, stories, and snacks from home. Children ran about excitedly while adults exchanged greetings and the news of the day. The society members have gathered to celebrate the Mangala Gaur function of Mrs. Deshpande's daughter-in-law.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. देखो मैं कितनी सज धज कर आई हूँ. ओ भाऊ कितनी प्यारी दिख रही है. Mrs. Deshpande, can you please tell us what Mangala Gauri is about?
Yes, I want to know too.
Mangala Gauri is a puja done in worship of goddess Parvati. It's performed on a Tuesday in the Hindu month of Shravan. After the puja, women perform a ritual called Haldi Kumkum.
But what's in it for us, Mrs. Iyer?
Narayya Nalla Sapada Irekka, Mr. Patel. Ayyo Rama Rama, I'm telling in Tamil. Plenty of yummy food, Mr. Patel. And the best part is yet to come. Many kinds of काय म्हणायचं ग इंग्लिश मध्ये? Many kinds of fugris like bus fugri, tawa fugri and vakdi fugri with other games are played.
Pugri? What are pugri?
Yes, come Puchka, let me show you. Mangala Gaur celebrates togetherness. Women sing, clap and dance, welcoming happiness into their homes. Blackout.
पानबाई आटुष्य गोडतोडे घालून आपण नटुष्य. आटुष्य पानबाई आटुष्य गोडतोडे घालून आपण नटुष्य. गोडतोडे कुणाला? गोडतोडे जावेला बाई जावेला. बाळ्या बुगड्या कुणाला? बाळ्या बुगड्या नंदेला बाई नंदेला. आटुष्य पानबाई आटुष्य गोडतोडे घालून आपण नटुष्य. लेकीला बाई लेकीला. चंद्रहार कुणाला? चंद्रहार सासूबाईंना बाई सासूबाईंना. जय देवी मंगळा गौरी ओवाळीन सोनिया ताटी. रत्नांचे दिवे माणिकांच्या the